So in Kansas City, you have different age homes in different neighborhoods. So it kind of, it's dictated by where the home is and what year or decade it was built in the home. Just as an example, in the early days, 1920s, 30s, etc., double hung windows, which double hung windows are the style of window where both the top and the bottom go up and down for ventilation. That was one of the most common windows. And then a picture window, a non-opening window, was usually like in a formal dining room or a master living room or something like that, where it was, this is the offset to just kind of showcase our home, interior and exterior. But then in the 80s and 90s, casements became way popular. Casement windows are the type of windows that crank open and close. And so what's happened is now builders have a virtual hodgepodge of windows. In fact, in the 80s and 90s, really big windows became popular again, whereas like in the 40s and the 50s, everything was small windows. And so it's kind of like fat tie, skinny tie, if you will. It's what's in is out and what's out is in, and back and forth and back and forth. The nice thing about that is at Thermal King, we offer all types of windows, and everything we do is custom built. So fairly much we can accommodate whatever the situation is. And I mean, if you're in a house full of double hung windows right now, which again, those are the kind that go up and down, and you hate them and you want to replace them with casements or picture windows, which are the kind that crank open or do not move whatsoever, we're custom built. We can do that. We can accommodate within reason almost anything you want to do. And that's the benefit of being a custom built product. We can meet every decade, every style, and any imagination thing within your budget and reason that you want to do.